Tips to do cleaning under the bed easier. Welcome to our Fast Clean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. There are a lot of cleaning struggles to deal with in the house. And many of those cleaning woes sometimes do not have the easiest solutions. Under the bed is one area of your home that is hard to clean. Children may be scared to take a look under the bed because of monsters, but for adults, what scares them most is the amount of dirt that they'll find. But don't fret. If you are having problems trying to find a way to get to the hard-to-reach areas under your bed, there are some tips you can use to make cleaning under the bed a lot easier. Duster with a long handle. Even though there are countless products in the market to help you make cleaning easier, it seems like cleaning the pesky spots under your bed remains a struggle for many. Fortunately, you don't need any fancy equipment to get rid of those pesky under-the-bed dust. All you need is a duster with an extendable handle, and you'll get to clean every inch of space under your bed. Of course, be sure the duster and the handle are long enough to cover the actual size of your bed. Use your vacuum's attachment. If you have a vacuum at home, you know very well that it comes with a set of tools, many of which you may not know how to. Each of these attachments has a purpose. For instance, you can use an extension wand for tight and hard-to-reach places, or the mattress attachment to clean every side of your mattress. If you can't find your attachments, there is one thing you can do. Flatten the vacuum and push it under your bed. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new Fast Clean videos. Try a robot vacuum. Vacuuming can be a good form of exercise. But if you don't want to break a sweat, then why don't you consider purchasing a robot vacuum? From hard floors to carpets, you can pick out a robot vacuum that will make the most sense for your home. Set it up and then charge it and put it to work. Use a blower to get rid of all those dust bunnies. It may sound silly, but you can actually use a blower to get rid of all those dust bunnies in a swift and effortless manner. Just be sure to keep your broom, duster, or vacuum close to you, because you will need them once the dust comes out from under your bed. Apply all these tips when cleaning under your bed, and surely you will have a fresh, dust-free and relaxing bed anytime you want to have your long rest of sleeping. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out about the basics of using steam cleaners at home. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastclean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.